Mohan must have sensed there is some kind of threat. He must be worried about it. We shouldn't have sent Gungun, Ketki and Radha there.
Why do you seem so upset since a few days?
I think I should tell Mohan the truth. He should know the truth about Damini.
We will have to change the plan a little. There is a good way to turn the bomb off and then use it again also.
Do you think I did not make my daughter understand? I tried my best to reason with her. But Mohan isn't just Damini's beloved. She is obsessed about him, obsessed.
Tell me, mister, what's under the seat?
What happened, Radha?
Nothing, Ketki. Tell me, mister.
Nothing, ma'am. Something had fallen down, so I was looking for it.
So, let me help you find it, okay? Should I tell Mohan that I find this man's behavior strange? I feel anxious too.
Can't get through to her. There's a network issue.
Mohan? Mohan, my child, come quickly. See who's here.
Mohan? Mom? Roop? What are they doing here? What happened? Why are you so shocked, Mohan? Take a deep breath. We are not here to fight. There's nothing to fight over, so why would we fight with you? Greetings.
Greetings.
Bless you. We are here to apologize. We got to know Gungun was very happy here. That's all. Our happiness lies in that of Gungun. How did Mom change out of the blue? And even Roop? I just hope another problem doesn't come up now. Kadambari, with your permission, we would like to be a part of the wedding rituals.
Oh yes, why not? Mohan is your son too.
And I hope you don't mind this. As Gungun's granny, I've invited some guests too. I want them to see how Gungun's future mom is.
What are you saying, mother? This is your house. You have every right to invite who you want.
Amazing. She's always in a bad mood. Today, how come she's so calm?
What I have said to you, you will do it, right?
Damini, you gave me the amount that I had asked for. Neither more nor less. So I'll do only what you asked me to do. Neither more nor less.
My brother is supporting Damini? Huh? I had never thought my brother would stoop so low. Roop, you are supporting the one who always considered me her enemy. This means they have come here at Damini's behest. But why? And where is Radha?
Madam, aren't you both their parents or relatives? Aren't you here in place of their teachers? You look after them. If you talk over the phone in their presence, They will use their phones while driving after growing up and meet with an accident.
Excuse me? Stop lecturing us and return her phone.
Talking on the phone isn't permitted while driving a vehicle, but one is allowed to talk over the phone while traveling by bus. There is no rule that says that. So return my phone.
Hey, madam. I've been doing this for years. This is the job I've been doing. Nobody knows what's right and what's wrong better than me. If you do something wrong, the kids will learn that from you.
Some time back, he said today was his first day at work. And now he's saying he has been working for years. Something is not right.
You said that you had brought guests with you? Who are they? Is there anyone who we know?
I don't know whether you know them, but aunt, they know you all very well.
Oh, I see.
Hey, have you all arrived? I'll come outside to pick you up. Okay, I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Oh, madam. Where are you lost? Sit quietly. Sit down.
I'm sitting. This man? Oh Lord Krishna, he's the same guy who kidnapped me. He is here. I'm sure he is here to do something bad.
It seems that Radha got suspicious about me.
I must quickly inform Ketki about him.
I need to do something before she does.
Why isn't Radha answering my call? We both are playing just hit and miss.
Mohan, something is not right. I have a bad feeling about this.
Ketki,
Yes, madam. What did you say?
he might hurt the kids if he realizes that I have recognized him. I just said that you were right. If I talk on the phone in front of the kids on the bus, it will make a terrible impression. And they will make the same mistake when they grow up. So please forgive me for that.
Radha, why did you apologize to him?
I made a mistake, Ketki, so I'm not ashamed to apologize.
Your good behavior will eventually bring you down. Nice people meet their end early.
She is sulking more than Radha. It looks like I need to deal with her first.
And there is no rule prohibiting phone use while traveling by bus. It's wrong only when the driver uses the phone while driving the bus.
Let it be,
Radha,
Ketki.
you just keep quiet for a minute. What is your problem? I've been noticing you for so long. You keep meddling with us. The school owns the bus and not you.
Ketki, you have no idea how dangerous this man is. Please calm down, Ketki. Calm down. Just let it be.
No, Radha. The discussion has just started. I've been noticing him ordering around for so long. He snatched your phone too. Who does that? And who is he to tell us what we should do or we shouldn't do?
Sit down, Ketki. Sit down.
Watch out! Ketki!
I should try calling Ketki.
That's what I'm saying, Mohan. Try calling Ketki and please hurry up.
Ketki, pick up the phone, please. She's also not answering my call.
Mohan, something is not right.
Hey, Ajit!
Yes, Mohan?
Why isn't Ketki answering the calls?
Why is everyone bringing up Ketki so much today? Except for me, everyone is missing her. Well, Rahul had a fight with Ketki, but Mohan, why do you want to talk to Ketki? I don't get it.
Leave all that. Did you talk to Ketki?
Well, no.
What do you mean by no?
I mean, I couldn't talk to her properly. Possibly she was playing a parlor game with the children. She seemed a bit stressed too.
What was she stressed about?
She was probably losing to Radha's team.
So she was stressed about the game. Is everything okay there?
Yes, everything is okay. Mohan, quickly go outside. Tulsi's mom is calling for you for a while.
How could everything be okay, Mohan? Look, Radha never ignores your phone call. And especially when Gungun is accompanied by her. Mohan, look at Damini, how calm she is and she is so quiet. When this family is about to face a challenge, she becomes quiet. Why don't you understand me, Mohan? I feel a strange fear. Do something, Mohan, please.
I felt as if you called my name.
Yes, Mohan.
I feel as if something terrible is about to happen. This Radha can never ignore my call, especially when she's with Gungun.
That's what I said. Radha would never ignore your call. Gungun is with her, Mohan.
I feel something is not right.
I kept telling you to sit quietly in your seat. But you wealthy people never listen to anybody, huh? Watch it, now you're hurt.
Ketki, you are badly injured.
It's all his fault. Instead of lecturing others, get your bus fixed.
Please, please, please sit down. I'll get the bandage for you. Just wait.
I hope she doesn't notice the bomb.
Ketki? Please move. Ketki, show me your hand.
I won't spare him. I will complain about him to the school. It's fine that I got hurt, but what if one of the kids had been hurt? This guy is so irresponsible.
Let it be, Ketki. You are badly hurt.
Hey, why are you so scared? I didn't get shot, Radha. It's just a minor cut.
Still, Ketki, you are bleeding.
Give that to me. Give my phone.
Give it.
Here. Say that everything is fine.
Hello? Hello, Mohan?
Hello, Radha, why weren't you answering the phone? Is everything okay?
Yes, Mohan. Everything is fine. Everything is okay, just the same as last night.
Are you sure there is no problem? Everything is okay?
There is just a small problem. I forgot my Ramayan at home.
Ramayan?
Yes, Mohan. Actually, the journey is long. I thought I'd tell Gungun the story of Sita's abduction on the way.
What are you saying, Radha?
But never mind, I can't do that anymore. Nothing can be done about that. Anyway, Mohan, Radha and Mohan are a hit duo together. Mohan, I mean to say that if we attend Gungun's singing competition together, then it will be great. Okay, Mohan. The bus is entering the jungle, so the network won't likely be there. Okay, Mohan, I'm hanging up now.
No,
Bye.
Radha. Hello, listen. Oh, man. This Radha.
Mohan, what did Radha say? Tell me, is everything okay? Is Gungun okay? Is Gungun safe? Mohan, please come outside. Our special guests have arrived and would like to meet you.
Madam, your phone's battery has drained, madam. I will do one thing. I'll charge it near the driver's seat, madam. Then you won't have a problem using it. Yes.
I can't argue with him. It might endanger the kids if I argue with him. I'll wait for the right moment.
Mohan, our special guests have arrived. What is she doing here? She thinks that Radha is going to get married to Mohan. Gungun, indeed, your mom and dad are perfect. Your dad takes good care of you and your mom loves you very much. So today the feeding ritual is being conducted.
Yes.
But I don't see Gungun around.
Well, she is in the school.
And where is Gungun's would-be mom? Isn't she going to perform this ritual?
Well, that I will perform it alone.
Oh? Huh. How's that possible? Only the future bride can perform this ritual. Please call the bride. We don't need to call her. She's right here. Gungun's would-be mom is Damini. Come here, Damini. What is this joke? She's not the bride. Isn't she one of their distant relatives?
Well,
Gungun's would-be mom is Radha. Please bring Radha over here.
How innocent all of them are. They have pretty smiles. How can I tell them the truth? Otherwise, their faces will turn pale and they will be terrified. I can't tell them anything. Oh Lord Krishna, now only you can save us. I hope Mohan understood the hints I gave him and comes to our rescue.
How is that possible? Radha performed the turmeric ceremony, so how could she be the bride? What is going on here? I will tell you. Mohan, did you think that I wouldn't know about your game? What do you think is the reason I arrived so early? I wanted to know if you all would tell me the truth or not. The truth. So that was Damini's plan. She gathered everyone here.
I have gathered them here for you, Tulsi. To distract you. You would think that it was my plan, but my true plan is much more sinister than that.
I need to execute the plan anyhow. I will leave as soon as I install the bomb. Then neither Gungun will survive, nor will Ketki, nor Radha will survive.
Don't you publish religious books? But all your deeds are evil. Your family is teaching the same thing to Gungun. Otherwise, that little girl wouldn't have lied.
no.
No, mother, actually.
Be quiet, Mohan. You killed my daughter by immolating her. Mother, it is your misunderstanding. Mohan is not guilty. You have no right to address me as mother. You have killed the mother of a little girl. And you are marrying Damini, whom Gungun dislikes. Instead of living with her stepmother, she should stay with her real grandmother.
Stop it, mother. Gungun is the heart and soul of this family, mother. I beg of you, mother, please, don't take my Gungun away from me. Please.
But Mr. Mohan, we are going to take her with us.
My daughter. Nobody can take my daughter from me. And I don't need anyone's permission to keep her with me. Got it?
Because whatever sins the father has committed, the daughter will have to pay for all of them. Mr. Mohan, I'm going to take revenge from your daughter.
No, Mohan.
Are you going to force my daughter to make amends?
Mohan!
Mohan,
I have never committed any sins. But now I'm going to.
Stop, Mohan!
Mohan, stop!
Come here.
Don't
Mohan,
do
wait.
that,
Mohan.
Mohan!
Hey, Mohan. Mohan, wait.
Nobody
that,
can take her away from me.
Stop it, Mohan.
Mohan, stop!
What are you doing?
What are you doing,
Mohan, Mohan.
Mohan, don't take my daughter from me. My daughter from me.
No, Mohan.
How dare you say this?
Let go of him!
I will kill you, Roop.
So why did you stop? Hit him! Hit him more! Did you see the true face of this man? Should a man like him have the right to keep the child? What kind of upbringing will the child get among such liars? What will she become when she grows up? I have recorded everything what you did on this phone. And now I will see you in court. Mom?
Mr. Shekhar, your client has made a big mistake. Such a big lie? He wanted to deceive the law?
I thought this was a nice family. There can't be a better family for Gungun than this.
Ma'am,
But I was wrong. After what happened today, I will submit a new report to the court. You won't get to see your daughter's face much after that, let alone stay with her. See you in the court.
Listen, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
ma'am,
Oh my, what has just happened?
you are distressed about Gungun leaving this house, Mohan. But you know, Gungun is about to leave this world.
Mom, I'm having negative thoughts. I feel something bad will happen.
There is only one way to calm your anger. Go and thrash someone there.
Shekhar.
If someone speaks ill of my daughter or tries to snatch her from me, he won't be spared.
Mohan, one small mistake of yours can prove fatal to you. The case related to Gungun's custody is already being fought in court, but what you did today will go against us in court. Please don't mess up now.
Let's go.
Mess up my foot. Don't mess up now. Yeah, but I'm worried about Gungun. I'm disturbed.
This time, don't pay attention to what people say. Listen to your heart and follow it, Mohan.
Until I see my daughter, I won't be satisfied. I think I should go there.
Once I take the bus to a deserted street, I'll be able to plant the bomb without any trouble. Because I strongly feel this girl suspects me right now. In a crowded area, this girl might scream and ask for help. I can't take that risk anymore.
Rahul, do you have my car keys?
Why will I have them? I don't even touch your car.
Amazing. Dulari, do you know where my car keys are?
No, sir.
Why do the people here not keep the things in place? Damini, just tell me, do you have my car keys?
No, Mohan, but what happened? Where are you going? What's the problem now?
Not yet, but we will face one soon. Since when I spoke to Radha, I feel something is wrong. So I'm going to them.
What?
Mohan, the danger is imminent. So please go and check on them. Please, Mohan.
Did Radha speak to you?
Ajit, do you know where my car keys are?
Both the cars have gone to pick up the Brahmin.
You should have asked them to come by rickshaw.
Oh, yes.
I can't find my car keys.
Did Radha and Mohan speak over the phone?
Yes. I think Radha has become suspicious of me. But don't worry, madam. She was so scared that she couldn't reveal anything to Mohan. She didn't tell him anything.
But what did she tell Mohan?
Yes, Mohan, everything is fine. Just like everything was fine last night. You see, it's a long journey, so I thought of narrating the story of Sita's abduction to Gungun. Radha and Mohan rock together. It'll be good if we both are present at Gungun's singing competition. It will be nice.
You fool! When it is about Gungun's life, then Radha isn't scared of anyone, understood? She told him everything she wanted to, and you didn't get it. Listen to me. Mohan is coming to you. Set the bomb quickly and leave from there. Because if Mohan gets to you, he will make sure you die in the bomb blast and not Radha and Gungun.
Okay, madam.
You just fix the bomb. I will fix Mohan.
Okay, madam.
When he had abducted me, someone was instructing him over the phone. Even now, he is continuously getting calls. I am sure it's the same family member.
No matter what happens, Mohan can't leave this house.
Where are you going?
I have some work, Mom.
Mohan, we have organized Brahma Bhoj today. The head priest is here. All the Brahmins have arrived. How can you leave now? How will it look?
If Mohan gets to Gungun, then he will save her somehow. I will have to do something.
I should call up Mohan. But how? My phone is with him.
Where will I find a lonely street? There are cars everywhere.
Ketki, will you give me your phone?
Sure, here.
Thank you.
Yes, she's right. After the haldi, the bride and the groom cannot leave the house. What if someone's evil eye cast on them? And if they do that, it's considered a bad omen.
I don't have the time to explain things, Aunt.
Why is Mohan not answering my calls? Let me call up Aunt Kadambari.
Damini was right. She isn't as stupid as she comes across. I will.
Radha, my phone!
I'm sorry, Ketki.
You are so careless. You dropped my phone, Radha.
Calm down.
What are you doing with the steering wheel?
Hey, mister. Aren't you in a hurry to go to the Lord of Death? Could you not see such a big pothole?
If you could see the pothole, why could I not see it? How dare you fiddle with the steering wheel?
Please stop the bus.
Hey, mister, look here. Hey, mister, keep driving quietly. If you press the brakes, I will end your life right away. Understood?
Driver, can't you hear me? Stop the bus. My phone fell out of the window.
How do I tell her that everyone's life is more important than her phone?
Stop the bus, please.
This bus won't stop.
You are trying to be a leader again?
Told you the bus won't stop. Go and take your seats.
Hey,
And yes, as for the phone, it fell down. It must have broken. Buy a new one. Understood?
Yes, Ketki, come here. Sit calmly. He's right. Your phone fell down.
Hey, ma'am. This woman is so sensible. Learn something from her.
Radha, after dropping my phone, you are siding with the psycho.
Ketki, calm down. Calm down. He's the same man who abducted me. No, don't look at him.
I'm sorry, Mom, but I have to leave.
Mohan, you can go after some time. What's the emergency now?
It is important, Damini.
What happened, Aunt? Why are you so upset?
Actually,
Her phone fell out of the window. It broke, Gungun. Her phone got damaged because of me. Please forgive me, Ketki. Ketki?
Yes, yes, Gungun.
Ketki, what are you doing? If we tell the kids about this, they will get scared. And at this time, we need to be sensible. If he understands that we have recognized him, he can harm the kids. Ketki, he didn't hesitate to bury me alive. Ketki, look at these kids' faces. They are so innocent. Their parents and the school authorities placed their faith in us. They aren't our kids, but it's our responsibility to protect them.
Yes, Radha. We won't let any harm come to the kids.
Absolutely.
Radha, Radha, he.
Let me go, Damini.
But Mohan, they have come for us. If you leave, then they will feel insulted. What can be more important than this, Mohan?
There is. My child Gungun, Radha, and Ketki. I care about the family instead of guests. My daughter's safety is paramount and I feel she isn't safe right now. I don't care about anyone. I don't care whether anyone comes, goes, eats or doesn't eat.
I think that man is hiding something in his bag.
I don't know, Radha. I didn't see it carefully, but I think he has a dangerous weapon. He has hidden it in the bag.
In that case, we should check the bag. What's inside that?
But how do we check it? Radha!
If he's worried about Gungun, Radha and Ketki, then there must be a reason behind that. Mohan, whether others understand you or not, but I understand
Gungun
you.
doesn't have a phone, so why aren't they answering my calls? You know, Radha wasn't speaking properly when I called her last time.
Where is the ticking sound coming from?
Your enemy will be out of your way in no time. I got off the bus too.
Very good. You didn't make any mistake, right?
There is no chance at all, madam. Your enemy Radha will soon meet her maker.